Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys. This one will be for generation years 2002 to 2010. And what we'll do guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the TPMS, tire pressure monitor system. Okay, you have one fuse, that's a 5M fuse. Now, we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this Cayenne. So please guys, give a like, okay, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also guys, we'll have more mechanical videos on our main channels, auto repair guys and world mechanics, 2 channels. Check them out guys, quite a bit of helpful information there. Now, if you have the TPMS light, you cannot reset it, you suspect it's a bad fuse, okay, we'll show you guys where to find the fuse. You need to come inside guys, okay, you need that too, okay, plastic panel removal too, that cover needs to come out. Perfect. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, okay, you can see like this one. That's where the fuses are located and we need to find fuse number 24. So fuse number 24 will be the third one from left to right on the second row. 1, 2, second one missing, third, that 5M fuse. So we'll pull it out, okay, replace it with a new one now. And this is guys the fuse for your TPMS system. So if you have problems with your TPMS, check that one first. Now we have a video how to reset it, the procedure, how to diagnose it, what we use for diagnosing and all that stuff, so please check it out. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.